Happy New Year to everyone watching this video. Welcome to EJ Bits, and this is a special one. Thank you so much for we have hit 200 plus subscribers. So currently we have 233 subscribers, and as a quick thank you to all of you, our viewers, we will do a giveaway for NCR and Luzon. So again, thank you very much. I hope you participate and invite your friends too also. This is the 200 subscriber 2021 giveaway. There will be a winner of the Mibro Air smartwatch that we reviewed, two winners of Hobo stainless steel premium knife set, two winners of Tribit wireless earphones, a winner of Miracle Grow plant feeder fertilizer, and one winner of 10 corrugated pots, 5 large and 5 medium. So what are the mechanics? The mechanics are very simple, just follow them strictly. Make sure that you are a subscriber, and plus 10 points if you are a public subscriber. So it's very important that you are publicly subscribed so that we will see your name on the subscriber list. There is a link in the description on a tutorial on how to publicly subscribe. Make sure to also follow our Facebook page. This will count as 1 point. Like, watch, and share every video. So 1 point per video. If you do more videos, you will have more points. Comment what you want to win and your city. So you can comment down there, I want to win the knife set. I live in Quezon City or Caloocan City. And also, the last one, tell your friends to subscribe and reply to your comment. So the more replies you have in your comment, that's 5 points per reply. More points, easier chances to win. Don't forget to follow all of these steps and all of these mechanics for you to win something in the 200 subscriber giveaway. Okay, so let me just show you how the point system works in our giveaway. So as we can see here, person number 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So that means that the more points you have, the more likely you will win your prize. So each item has its own randomizer. This is just a quick demonstration. This is not what we will use. We have a system for selecting our random winners. This is just a quick imagery so that you know how it works. So again, the two most important mechanics that you need to do is first, you need to be subscribed to the channel. And of course, you have to comment what you want to win and your city. So if you do those two things, you are entered in our giveaway. And if you do the other mechanics as well, like subscribing publicly, because you might be subscribed right now, but it might not be public because we cannot see your name in the subscriber list, please check the link in the description how to subscribe publicly. So as we can see here, person number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of points. So that means that the more points you have, the more chances that you will win our giveaway. And the more comments in your comment, so the more replies you have in your comment, it is more likely that you will win that certain item. So as you can see here, person number 4 has only 1 entry. So let's spin the wheel. Let's see who will win. Person number 2. Okay, so as we can see here, person number 2 has lots of entries. So that's just a quick demonstration that, people with more entries have a bigger chance of winning. So don't forget to follow all of the mechanics in order for you to win. Oh, see, I spun it again and person number 2 is still the result. Let's try to do it one last time. Again, we have a system to select our random winners. This is just a quick demonstration on how it would work. There you go. See, person number 5. Person number 4 couldn't win because he only had 1 entry. So don't be the person that only has 1 entry. If you want to win items, please do so. And of course, share this video to many of your friends so that they too will also subscribe and they might also have a chance to win items. I would like to thank all of the viewers for getting us to 200 subscribers. We started in September and we are doing very well. If you want more giveaways and more of these exciting activities, don't forget to subscribe until we reach a greater milestone. So that's all. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I hope you win something in this giveaway. Thank you so much for watching.